Guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be making slime. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you products. I have glue. I have eye solution, shaving cream, and a blue and a spoon. Okay, so first you put in some glue. Okay, that's going to take care of it. Pouring in the glue right now. So guys, I'm done pouring in the glue. Now let me put some shaving cream in. Ow, that cat almost fell in the glue. Okay, now I poured in the shaving cream. You guys could tell. Let me mix it in. So guys, now I'm done mixing. Now I'm gonna pour it. I forgot one thing. I'll be right back, guys. Now I'm going to be putting a pinch in the slime. It's not gonna be that sticky. Okay, now I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna start mixing. So guys, now I'm done with my putting in that and mixing it. Now I'm going to put in some eye solution. So do that. Are you gonna pause it? No, I'm sorry. Now I'm going to mix it. Okay. Now I add in more. Now I have to keep adding because it's sticky. I made the slime, which is a little sticky, but I'm going to add some more in. And I'm going to mix it with my hands. It's not getting sticky anymore. See how strong it is. And that's how you make slime. So, bye guys. Wait on, hit that subscribe button down below.